Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, Mr. Adin. I'm Salwa from Loyal Class. I want to make video because I was late come to BEC this afternoon and I must make video 20 minutes for explain about meeting this afternoon with Mr. Fu. When I came to BEC this afternoon, and maybe I'm late for 4 minutes, and I hear about this meeting, and before Mr. Pu start speak about what's the agenda, Mr. Pu asks to everyone, you bring book, you bring a pen because everyone must writing about this agenda today. And when we are CTC student prepare for pen and for book, Mr. Po say to us, if you must write about the lesson today, about the meeting today. And when he start talk about the meeting today, and he start with the explain about writing, why we must prepare about book and why we must prepare with a pen. We must writing in the book, and I writing here, and why he tell about writing. Writing is very important when we learn about English. Sometimes it's very difficult to understand about someone talk in the front of me and in the front of us, and we must writing to catch the information. I think writing is the way to get information from the someone to speak English. It's the writing information in the book help us to catch the information from them. And in this third month, we must use English as a daily conversation. In BEC, inside and outside, we must speak English with everyone. Uh, Sometimes why we must speak English, because I think English is very important. In this third month, we must adaptation with everyone to speak English, because today is the first time. Sometimes we feel difficult to change or move from bahasa to English. But Mr. Pusey, if uh, there is always aha moments. What is the aha moments? Aha moments when I write here. Aha moments when we get something, when we understand something. Like I give example, like sometimes our friends first time to speak English with me, and sometimes I cannot understand, but sometimes it's always there is a moments when I'm just like this. Ah, oh, the response is like, aha, I I see. That's we call that aha moments. Sometimes we just delay information because we cannot to understand when the first time our friends speak English with me maybe and maybe with us, and then sometimes we cannot understand like that. And but always the moment is always comes like this. We delay information, and sometimes like that we call that yeah oh, and that's whoa. Yeah, that's I see what you said, and that's why we call that aha moments. We understand about something. We understand when our friend talk with me or with us. That's we call that aha moments. And when we start understand something, we call that aha moments. And uh, in BEC, sometimes we are just now we are a CTC student. We are CTC student, but in this third month, we must speak English, and today we must move speak bahasa to English. Why? We are not TC student, but we must start speak English. Uh, because Mr. Cruz said if we start earlier, we start better. Sometimes maybe we feel difficult to start early because we think if oh, we are not TC student, why we must speak English? But Mr. Wu said if you start earlier, it's better, and everyone in Garden Hall just make the story on WhatsApp and must post on WhatsApp because uh, I think it's give me remind on WhatsApp status to always speak English because I remind oh, today I must speak English with my friend. And when I see my status on WhatsApp, oh yeah, we start earlier, we start better. And yeah, and in the garden hall I realized about that. And yeah, sometimes I think why I'm a CTC student, but why I must using English. And I realize in the garden hall, it's very important to start earlier. In this third month, we speak English as daily conversation, and inside and outside. Um, and why when someone's speaking we must remember when we start early speak English, someone speaking always we catch information from them, and we get information, and sometimes we just write information from them. Why we write information, Mr. Pu say that always there is always a technique for we remember about information. That's why we choose to write information and short and repeat again, short and repeat. The repeat, I think the meaning is we memorize and we repeat after that. When someone told with like how are you today, what is that, how are you today? I think it's short information, but we can repeat after that. And today we have we have role play like a drama, and there uh um Mr. Who say about if you feeling so difficult to you don't have vocabulary, sometimes you just maybe 10 vocab, and sometimes you just cannot to tell about what's on your mind. You just find it like this afternoon, Mr. Wu make a drama for first four students come in front of garden hall. And they bring pawn. Mr. Wu said, if you feeling difficult, yeah, if everyone just take the phone from the back, and they must open dictionary on the phone, and sometimes we download dictionary like Oxford dictionaries maybe, or another application, and there we must see dictionary. We check like what is this, and Mr. Pu help with drama. It's like a role play, and he just making action with the body language, like uh, like like that. And what is that? He asked to poor student before he asked poor student, and before that uh, he make a short conversation like hey sister, I'm forget about the name sister, like sister, maybe I give example like sister Annie. Hi sister Annie, because it's just short conversation. We can start with the short conversation. Hi sister Annie, how are you today? I'm fine. And sister Annie reply with I'm fine. And maybe we start with short conversation. Is it your friend? Is it your friend there? Then it's boys come forward here, and they are come and make conversation with the poor student. They make conversation, and uh, the game is find it. The role play is the name is find it when you need it. I think find it when you need it. If you don't know something, like you don't know about vocabularies, you can looking for in dictionary. In dictionary you can check it. That's why I was tell before, if Mr. Pooh uh, tells to everyone, if uh, take your phone on your bag and you just check your dictionary there, find it when you need it. Find vocabularies when you don't understand something, like Mr. Po just doing action with the body language like like that. And what is that? We must guess it, and we tell if that that whisper, like whisper, and like uh, like he starring eyes bulging like this, and then he practice eyes bulging, and practice uh, he practice about like that. And just like we must know what is that. If I don't know before what is that. When I don't know, I check on Oxford Dictionary. I find what is the vocabularies because I don't know. So that's why Mr. Pu say you must check on your dictionary on your phone. You check and you find it. What is that? Oh, that is in bahasa Bersiul. In English, I don't know what is Bersiul in English. Bersiul is whistle, and then how about whistle, and how about uh berbisik in bahasa berbisik in English. I don't know what it like gossiping maybe whisper, maybe whisper, and then I find in dictionaries uh, when when Mr. Pooh in the front of is just like do this, and we must he tell about you must know about the difference about look at and see. What is this? See what is look at, and we must know about that. And Mr. Pu say about uh, he practiced with the two boys before uh, who role play drama, uh, and he just doing uh, work. And this is the vocabularies is a company like walking in the middle boys between boys and girls, and just Mr. Pooh just walking there, and he asks to everyone what is that, what I do with two boys. I accompany them, and that's about we guess about body language. We all play about drama, and it's help it's help us to know about technique, or how to uh, find vocabularies to use the trick pass to get what is that. And the trick is when you find it, when you don't know, when you find it when you need it. I mean, like, find it in dictionary, and when you really need it. When I get the conclusion like this, when I don't know something, like I don't know about vocabularies, so I must make sure if I must check on dictionary, and when I really need to talk with someone, like maybe in this third month when I don't know about uh, the vocabularies, I must so fast to check on my phone what is it on this dictionary. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. If I don't know, I find it in I looking for in dictionary. And and like Mr. Po say, like what is that? I'm there. Oh, what is that? It's cegukan in bahasa, but what in English? In English we call that hiccup. And for the last, Mr. Pu said you must be confident in this third one to speak English. Just like to say hi, hello, how are you with your teacher. And I think making mistake, it's okay, but maybe your grammar is not be perfect, but speak, you try every day with your friend, with your teacher. It's very, you must be confident to practice more and more every day, every time, and take the moment. I think it's enough, this video. Thank you so much, Mr. Arden. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.